Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Arabic with me, Rana.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat.
Today's video is going to be about a couple of Levantine words that are related to each other with the same root. The first set consists of couple of nouns. Then the second set consists of couple of verbs. Let's start with the first set. The word علم means science. Only one type of science, and usually we combine it with the type of the science we study or work at. For example, أنا بدرس علم نفس. نفس means the self. So the whole sentence means I study the science of psychology. I study psychology. The second word is the plural form of this علم, which is علوم. For example, أختي بتدرس علوم سياسية, which means my sister studies political sciences. It's the plural form. Then comes a word that is a bit tricky, معلوم. It is the measurement of مفعول for those who already studied فصحى Arabic, standard Arabic. If you haven't studied فصحى, then never mind. Literally معلوم in فصحى, it means it is known. It is known. In spoken, we translated understood. Understood or right. And of course. For example, امبارح كان عيد ميلاد أمي. معلوم. أنا رحت وأخذت لها هدية. Another example. فيي اطلع اليوم قبل الوقت بربع ساعة؟ معلوم. ما في مشكلة, فيكي تطلعي. The next related word is the word معلومة. It means a piece of information. For example, أها حلو كتير, معلومة كتير مفيدة. شكرا لأنك شاركت معي. And the last word for this set is معلومات, which is the plural form of معلومة. That means information. For instance, شكراً على المعلومات. شكراً على المعلومات. كنت كتير بحاجتها, عن جد شكراً. Or you would say, for instance, أنا بدرس تكنولوجيا المعلومات. تكنولوجيا المعلومات. If you are asking yourselves about the related verbs to the previously mentioned nouns, the answer is yes, they are all related. The verbs are, starting from the very first one, علم, which is to teach someone, or as we like to explain it in Fusha, to make someone know. When you are making someone know, then you are teaching them, right? For example, علمت ابني كيف يحكي عربي شامي كتير منيح. علمت ابني كيف يحكي عربي شامي كتير منيح. The other related verb is تعلم. The T is from the verb itself, which means to learn. For example, تعلمت عربي لحالي. ما حدا علمني. ما حدا علمني. تعلمت عربي لحالي. Do we have any other related words? Yes, indeed. The word is عالم, which means the scientist, or as we like to explain it in Fusha, the one who knows. He's a scientist. For example, ماري كوري كانت عالمة كيمياء كتير مهمة. And of course, we can't forget the plural, which is علماء, which means scientists. For example, لازم نحترم العلماء لأنهم بيعطونا معلومات كتير مهمة. Do we have any related words to the same root? Yes and no. I will tell you. The word علم, which means a figure, علم, or a flag. علم, علم سوريا, علم لبنان, علم الإمارات, علم. It is said that this word is related to the root because it means literally the one or thing that is well known. علم. Now let's jump to the second set right now. The second set are a couple of verbs that will lead us to a couple of nouns. The first one is عارف, which means just to know. For example, أنا بعرف أحكي 5 لغات. أنا بعرف أحكي 5 لغات. The second verb that is related is the verb عرف, which means literally to introduce someone to someone else. So we have 3 people around, and this verb should be always attached to the preposition على or ع. عرف ع. For example, واحد عم بيقول, someone is saying, عرفت رنا على جاد مبارح. عرفت رنا على جاد مبارح. So we have this person who is speaking, Rana and Jad, 3 people together. The third verb is تعرف. The T is from the verb itself, تعرف, which means to get to know someone. You are getting to know someone. There is no third person. For example, تعرفت على مرتي من 10 سنين. تعرفت على مرتي من 10 سنين. This is تعرف. Only me and the other person. That's it. There's no third person to get us introduced to each other. No. Do we have any words related to these verbs, to this set? Yes, indeed. The word is معروف. It is the measurement of مفعول for those who know فصحى. If you don't know فصحى, again, never mind. معروف, it means known. That's it, known. For example, توم كروز ممثل أمريكي معروف. توم كروز ممثل أمريكي معروف. Next is the word عارف. عارف is the active participle of the verb عرف. If you are interested in the active participle, watch this video here or here because you will know more. The active participle literally means the knower. This is literal. But it is used in Levantine Arabic as a verb. So it is as a verb, used as a verb, which means here someone knew or have known. For example, أنا عارف إنك رح تجي لعنا. كان عندي إحساس. I had a feeling. أنا عارف. Or مش عارف ليش السياسيين بلبنان مجانين. مش عارف ليش. The last word is the word عرفان. We use it only in Levantine and it sounds like مرضان, which is sick, جوعان, which is hungry, عطشان, which is thirsty. So it means the state of knowing, عرفان, the state of knowing. We have a well-known expression used with this word, which is ما عرفان هيدا الشخص, this person, ما عرفان راسه من ساسه. راسه من ساسه. الساس, it's the base, which means legs, يعني, obviously. So it means that is someone who is in the state of not knowing his head from his feet, which is someone, or who is someone who is lost or confused, so confused, just super lost. ما بعرف or ما عرفان راسه من رجله. This was our video for today. I hope you like it, guys, and if you like it, do not forget to hit the like button, to comment below, to give me suggestions, recommendations, or whatever you like, And don't forget that I have plenty and plenty and plenty. So far, I have 57 subtitled videos using the Arabic Levantine with the subtitles of Arabic, Franco, and English subtitles and translation. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I'm posting a very nice game, which is the guessing game. Guess the phrase game. I will tell you a little bit about it so you can know it more when you participate. This guess the phrase game, I will take a scene or maybe only one sentence from a movie or a series or a show, and I will post it on Facebook or on Instagram for you to try to guess the phrase. If you are intermediate, beginner, or advanced, it's not a competition. It's just for you to guess the correct phrase and to help you practice the listening. When you practice listening, even if you don't know the word, even if you don't know the sentence, the phrase, it's fine. I just want you to try to get these words and try just like to write them down, whatever they were. If you are wrong, it's fine. If you are right, it's perfect. So whatever, it's just fine. It's just like for fun and for you to practice your listening using the series, shows, and movies that we have in the Arab world, which is, we all know that we speak super fast, super fast. So this will help you so much. Don't forget to follow me everywhere. And of course on my podcast. I will post on my podcast soon as possible. And that's it for today. Love you so much, guys. And I will see you soon. Bye. As you can see, I write first the story behind the song in Arabic, in Franco-Arabic, and in English. Then I start with the lyrics in Arabic, Franco lyrics, and then afterwards I start with line by line literal and context translation, of course with the verbs, vocabulary, everything inside the song, and literal and context, of course.